Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, for the month of April, I decided to do something a little bit different. It's still crafty, but it's a little different. I am going green, and I got some recipes, some DIY recipes to help you go green as well, and these are for some cleaning supplies. So what I have are these 3 bottles that you see right here. So we're going to create 3 different products. I have some of the Simply Clean Dawn here. Got some white vinegar here. I have some alcohol here, and back there right here is, can you see it? Right here is a gallon of distilled water. So I want you to stay tuned, and we're gonna make 3, count them, 3 different cleaning supplies. Cleaning supplies to help us go green for the month of April. Okay, the first one we're gonna make is probably one of the easiest. We're gonna make the disinfectant spray, and we're gonna use the alcohol and the distilled water. Now, with the alcohol, it has to be at least 65% isopropyl alcohol. Anything less than that, the alcohol will evaporate too fast and won't do its thing, okay? Won't do its disinfectant thing. Okay, so we're just gonna add equal amounts of alcohol and the disinfectant water, the distilled water. So let me see. I'm not gonna make that much. Let's use a half a cup. So I'm gonna put in a half a cup of alcohol. Let me see. I wrote on the bottom of my jar because for whatever reason my labeler isn't working, and I don't have extra batteries right now. So I'm gonna put in a half a cup of alcohol, and like I said, it has to be at least 65%. So let me put this in, and I'm making a mess. Okay, and then we're going to put in the distilled water. Okay, put this in. Okay, get everything. Get it. Let's see, is it on? I hope this thing works. Spray, there we go. Do we got a stream? Okay, I want it on spray. There we go. Nice spray. So we got that. And again, this is my disinfectant spray. I wrote it on the bottom on the label because my labeler isn't working. So that's product number 1. Okay, for product number 2, we're going to need equal parts vinegar and distilled water. So let me see, which one did I write this on? This is that's the multi-purpose cleaner. This is the one for the glass cleaner. And again, we're just going to make a small batch. I'm going to use a half a cup of distilled water. Bye, guys. Bye. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about the interruption. But I have a half a cup of water here. And I'm going to use a half a cup of distilled white vinegar. And who doesn't know about vinegar cleaning glass? And this bottle of vinegar was 82 cents from Walmart. Okay. put the top on this. So we're going to turn it to spray and just give it a quick swish. Okay, there we go. Yeah, boy, that's vinegar. Okay, so we have 2 products already, and the third is going to be with the vinegar and the Dawn. Now, the Dawn, this is going to be a bit different because some people actually heat the vinegar and some people don't. Now, the first time I did it, I did not heat the vinegar. I don't know what heating it does. I have no clue. But I'm going to heat my vinegar and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I used this mug to heat up the vinegar, and I only heated it for 30 seconds. So I'm going to pour it in here. So just half a cup. And I'm going to pour it in here. If I remember, I will try to find out why people heat the vinegar sometimes. And we're going to use a half a cup of the Simply Clean Dawn. Don't get none of the concentrated ones or, you know, any of those other power cleans. Just get the plain old regular Dawn. Half a cup. Add it to the vinegar. There we go. I'm going to put this in this bottle. I'm just going to squish it around. We're not going to shake it to make it foamy or anything. And besides, I don't even know if it'll foam with the vinegar. Okay, then we have our multi-purpose cleaner. We have our glass cleaner. And we have the disinfectant. So let's go put these things to the test. Okay guys, I'm in my oh so dirty bathroom and I forgot to get paper towels. So I got some paper napkins to try to clean this mess right here. So first thing we're going to do, this is the glass cleaner. We're going to start with this. We're going to see how this works. And it needs some extra attention right down there. So let's take a couple of these paper napkins. Probably should have taken a towel and cleaned it off first because it's so nasty. Now don't hate me if I miss a spot and y'all see it and I don't. Just say, okay, y'all, she can't see. Okay, I think I got it. All right, you guys tell me. How did the glass cleaner do? From here, it looks like it did pretty okay. Except for this, ain't no telling how old this mirror is. But it looks like it did a pretty good job. Okay, okay. So next, we're gonna go with this right here. This is the all-purpose cleaner. So let me point y'all down to the sink here. And I don't know how much of the sink I'm going to be able to get in here. And this right here, aside from it being a shadow, I don't think any of this is coming out. But we finna see. Finna. Okay, y'all heard that? Finna? We about to see. Okay, so we put it on spray. Come on, are you spraying? Now, out of all of the bottles, I think this one is the worst one. Okay, you know what? It's me. Do it this way. There we go. I'm going to spray this right here. I'll spray all around here. Okay. Let's turn on some hot water right here. And this is Old Faithful. And Old Faithful is clean, smells like bleach. So we finna see what we can do. Like I say, this sink, ain't no telling how old this sink is. It belongs to the people that I'm renting a condo from, so I have no control over that. Okay. We have to get this stuff off. There's some right there. That won't come off, whatever that is. The one thing I will do is at some point in time get some bleach or something to see if I can't get some of the stains out of the sink itself. I don't know if bleach or some type of scrubber would help, but I'm gonna try it. Just get a little bit more here. This thing looks great, actually. I'm surprised. So let me just wipe around in here a little bit. And I got this already as well as I can get around this part right here. Just one more again. And we're gonna rinse. Okay. I think that's it, guys. Let me just leave that right there. Okay. Now, if you can tell how good this stuff works by the way the chrome looks, then it's awesome stuff. It's some really good stuff here. Okay, and of course the last piece is just a, let me see, that look like some ink or something right there. Well, it won't get the ink off, that's for sure. But anyway, for the last piece, let me put this over here. It's just a disinfectant spray, and this is good only for non-porous surfaces. So what you would do is just do a little light spraying, that's it, and let it air dry, and there you go. Okay guys, that is it for this Throwback Thursday. A new kind of crafty goodness going on. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day. Am I straighten you up? For taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and don't pay this no attention. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.